Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so let's talk about the mass airflow sensor, particularly the one that's on a 06 Volkswagen Passat. So if you guys have a code, a check engine light, a code for the mass airflow sensor, if you guys have a crank no start issue, if you guys have an idling issue, if you guys have a crank start and then die issue, if you guys have rough running issues and you guys don't know what to look at, definitely this is the one piece of electrical equipment that you want to look at first, because essentially it's the first piece of electrical equipment that the car's computer reads. All right, because essentially you have to have a balance of air and gas to have the vehicle's engine running right. And if there's anything wrong with that combination, you're going to have a check engine light, you're going to have misfires, etc., etc. Now normally you want to look at this first because A, for the most part, it's like the easiest thing to get to. All right. B, it actually it's a component that has a lot of connections to different symptoms and issues if it's not working correctly or if it's dirty, etc., etc. So basically, on this Volkswagen Passat, and essentially most vehicles, probably like all vehicles, it's the first piece that's a part of the intake, hose. There's a plug to it. Very, very easy to take the plug off. Normally you squeeze it, the plug comes off. Sometimes you push two connectors out and then the plug comes off. Depends on which vehicle you have, but on this vehicle, as you guys can see, I'm pretty sure it's a push. You push it and then it comes out. All right, outside of that, most of the time it's held in by either one or two bolts. A lot of times it's held by one of these Torx bolts, particularly in this situation as you guys are looking at this Torx bolt. All you guys do is just take a Torx screwdriver, unscrew it. Once you unscrew it, they'll pop off as long as you pull it a little bit. And the only reason why you might want to pull it a little bit, you might have to pull it a little bit, is because there's a rubber gasket that's connected to it so that no air leaks out, because it's taking a direct measurement of air going in. No air is supposed to leak out from there, so there's a rubber gasket. Pop it out. You guys have it out. You guys either can A, change it up, or B, just spray some kind of they actually have mass airflow sensor cleaner. It's a spray. It dries real fast. Just spray it on there. It dries. After it's dried up, after it's dried, pop it back in. And if it's not working, if it's still not working right, you guys still have issues, what you guys can do is you guys can actually order one from eBay or Amazon, any of those places. If you guys get it from AutoZone, Advanced Zone, any of those parts stores, they can get real expensive. Reason being is that they know you probably need it immediately. They could range up from like 120, 130, 140, 150, right around that area, because they know you need it immediately. But if you get it from like eBay or Amazon, they're probably like $25, $30, maybe like $20 for these. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, definitely drop a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.